Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make text vertical in Google Docs. Google Docs does not have a direct button that turns text vertical like some other apps, but there are two simple tricks you can use to achieve the vertical text style. Let's get started. First, open your Google Doc on your computer. Now, type the text you want to make vertical. The first method is using a table. Go to the top menu and click on Insert, then click on Table, and select 1x1 table, basically just one cell. Now type your word or your sentence inside that table. Next, highlight the text you typed. Right-click inside the table cell and choose Table Properties. On the right side, you will see a sidebar. Scroll down until you find Cell Vertical Alignment and Text Direction. Under Text Direction, select Rotate 90 degrees or Rotate 270 degrees, depending on the direction you want your text to face. Immediately, your text inside the table will turn vertical. Second method is to use Drawing. Go to Insert, then click Drawing, and choose Plus New. In the Drawing panel, click on the text box icon, draw a text box, and type your text. Now, click the text box once to select it. You will see a small circle on top of the text box. Hold and rotate the text box until the text becomes vertical. When you're done, click Save and Close, and the vertical text will appear inside your document. You can resize, move, or position it anywhere you want, just like an image. So those are the best two ways to make text vertical in Google Docs. 1. Using a table with text rotation, and 2. Using the drawing tool to rotate the text box. Try both and choose the one that fits your document style. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.